Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Mimi. You already know on this channel we talk about travel, food, vacation and hotels. I am back with yet another hotel review. If you're new to this channel, welcome. Please stick around. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And if you so happen to like this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. Today I'm at the beautiful Excellence Oyster Bay in Trelawny, Jamaica. It's an all-inclusive adult-only hotel in Jamaica. I've had the pleasure of spending a weekend here and I am here as usual to share my experience with you. We're going to be talking about the check-in, customer service, the food and beverage, the restaurants, the ambiance, the entertainment, the sports, the usual. So let's get right into it. So we've changed locations and we're now in the lobby area. The beautiful lobby area, because we're going to talk about check-in. First of all, the bellman, they were so pleasant, they were so helpful. Valet parking is available for free. They offered me a welcome glass of champagne and then have me sit in the lobby area to be assisted. Now, apart from the fact that in this very massive and grand lobby, there were like two persons ahead of me. I didn't even have to stand to wait to be assisted. And I sat and I drank my champagne until someone actually came over to me and asked if I'm ready to check in and invited me to come to the desk to check in. I was blown away. So check-in of course was pretty smooth and the young lady was very informative. She gave me all the information I needed right there and then. She had me download the Excellence Oyster Bay app. So there's an app that they have that gives the opening times to the restaurants and the schedules for the activities and everything you need to know while you're here. She had me download it right away and gave me the rundown on everything that I needed to know. I arrived at the hotel at about 12 o'clock, so you know check-in is at 3 and naturally the room wasn't ready. They gave me a device which was supposed to light up whenever my room was ready. So I was invited to go and have lunch and just chill and wait around until my room was ready. I sat down for just a few minutes, maybe 10 minutes if that much, and the young lady came over to where I was sitting and she said, "Your room is ready." So my room was ready after 12 and that was impressive because you know check-in is at 3 o'clock and most times the room not even ready after 3 o'clock. So my room was ready after 12 and I was on my merry way. The bellman escorted me to my room. The level of service I experienced at the front desk while check-in extended to my entire stay. The customer service here is impeccable everywhere I went. The restaurants, by the poolside, at the bars, and the customer service wasn't even only from the staff themselves who were, you know, pleasant and kind and helpful, but also generally the little things that are available that make your stay very hassle-free. I mean, something as simple as a bag stand by the breakfast area in the breakfast restaurant, and the fact that they thought about it I think is excellent, you know. So I really appreciate that, not only the staff being as friendly as they are, but also the other little things that they do adds to the customer service experience as well. Now you guys know I love a room with a nice balcony view, and so of course I had to ask what view I was getting when I was at the front desk, and the young lady explained that I had a garden view room, and I was like So she's like, you know what, why don't you go check out the room, and if you don't like it, let me know and let's see how we can upgrade it. And you know, I was like, are the garden views nice? And she's like, you know what, all the rooms are nice. I was like, all right, pretty confident. But boy, let me tell you, when I went to my room, I was pleasantly surprised. I had nothing to complain about. I mean, it wasn't a sea view or ocean view room, but the view was still very pleasant, still very aesthetic. I really liked it, and the room itself blew me away. When I got to the room a few minutes later, the young lady called. The phone rang. I figured it was her, and I was like, Shannon, her name is Shannon. Big up Shannon. Very nice young lady, very helpful. I was like, Shannon, you know what? I'm fine. I don't need a room change. I'm good. I really love this room. Thank you so much. And just as I thought, it was her calling to check to see if I was okay with the room or if I wanted to change it. So I really appreciated that. Definitely go and check out that room tour to get, you know, the details on the rooms here. Now let's talk about the restaurants. I'm sitting right outside the Chez Isabelle, which is the French restaurant, and across from the kitchen table, which is the buffet restaurant. There are about 8 restaurants and 10 bars here. 8 of the 10 bars are accessible to everyone. 2 of the 10 bars, however, are exclusive to the Excellence Club members. There are a few amenities, there are a few things that are exclusive to Excellence Club members. So if you have the opportunity and you can, you know, get into that membership, why not? I think it kind of elevates your experience a bit. And believe me, the experience is already amazing. So I can just imagine what it's like for an Excellence Club member. Let me tell you something, the food that I've had here is perhaps one of the best food I've had at any hotel, and I'm not even exaggerating. The only thing that was missing from that meal was a little bit of shrimp in my pasta. It was a shrimp pasta, and I literally had like 3 shrimp. It was literally 3 shrimp in the pasta, but that's fine because the pasta was delicious. Even just the pasta with the sauce, it was chef's kiss, amazing. I, for the very first time, was able to experience hibachi, and that was quite fun. I had a good time. Unfortunately, I wasn't very good at tossing the egg, but it was a good time nonetheless. You know, I have to order room service and check out room service for you guys in terms of timing and how the food tastes and all that jazz. They call it in-room dining. Was the shortest delivery I've ever experienced when it comes to room service, because the lady on the phone said it would have taken about 40 to 45 minutes. I was expecting at least an hour. I kid you not, the meal arrived in less than half an hour. I've never experienced that with room service. I really cannot recall a time that room service came that quickly, and the food was freshly prepared, so it was hot. Room services definitely gets a thumbs up for me, and so you can definitely go ahead and order your room service, whether for dinner or for breakfast. That's like express delivery. So there are several options here for you to choose from, in addition to the room service menu, which is also very extensive. There is a very extensive breakfast, lunch and dinner, late night room service menu. I tell you, this hotel is definitely a good bang for your buck. It is not cheap. It is one of the premium hotels here in Jamaica, but you definitely get good value for money. Now, there are two words that I can use to describe Excellence Oyster Bay: romantic and relaxing. This property screams romance. I think it's perfect for an anniversary or a honeymoon. It is so beautiful. It's the kind of place that you want to come to create memories with your loved one. It really has a nice, relaxing, romantic vibe. Everywhere you go, there's an amazing view. You're looking at the seaside, you're looking at the palm trees, you're looking at the coconut trees. It is just beautiful. There are some ocean view villas, which are again exclusive to the Excellence Club members. It's like a beachfront villa, you know, so you have the beachfront villas and then you have the ones that they have their own private infinity pool, and they are breathtaking. I can see, you know, a newlywed couple spending their honeymoon in one of those oceanfront villas. Really beautiful. Book your reservation right now. And if you're not with a spouse or a partner, come with your friends, come by yourself and just have a relaxing retreat, you know, just a self-care retreat. It's very, very relaxing and therapeutic. Now, for my last review of the Hyatt Zilara and Ziva, you heard me say I've never seen an all-inclusive hotel in Jamaica with a fully equipped gym. Well, I found another one. Another fully equipped gym here at Excellence Oyster Bay. I got my workout done this morning and I was not short of any equipment or any weights. And apart from that, there are a host of activities and sports that you can do here. Gym classes, yoga class, stretch classes by the beach, bike tours, dance classes, even cooking classes they have here. Last night I had the pleasure of watching a polytechnic and fire show, which was so much fun. They also had a silent party and an oldies party. So the entertainment here is pretty compact, quite a bit of variety here. There's also a spa that offers hydrotherapy and a host of other massage and therapeutic services. Again, there's the app where you can check the schedule of all the entertainment, all the sporting activities, all the other activities. So you're not short of any entertainment here at Excellence Oyster Bay. But like I said, if you come in here, just come to relax yourself. Come with the intention to do nothing but relax and just enjoy your time away from the hustle and bustle of life. So there you have it, another highly recommended vacation destination in Jamaica. As usual, I sincerely hope this review was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what other hotels in Jamaica you'd like me to review for you. Don't forget to subscribe. It really supports my channel, and give me a thumbs up if you like this video. Share this video to a friend who you know is going on vacation in Jamaica soon. And until the next one, take care.